Hi YouTube, it's Tasha again, coming to you with another haul video. I went to Michael's today. I saw Regina from All Things Pretty. She got these really cute Michael's stamps, and I just wanted to go and pick up a few, and I wound up picking up more, so I'm going to share that with you guys. The first one is this small journaling stamp from the dollar section. I'm going to use this with the tags, not the tags, the tickets that I got in a kit that I bought. This should be the perfect size for that. I got these stamps. These are some Studio G stamps called, I don't even want to pronounce that. The first one says thinking of you, love, you're a peach, hello darling, happy birthday, a journaling circle, congrats, thank you very much. I also got a stamp that was on a stamp set that was on clearance from Inkadinkado, and here it is. Those are so nice. Very intricate work. I love Inkadinkado stamps. These were on clearance. They were $9.99. They were on markdown to $3.99. And I got one from Stampology. They were also $9.99, marked down to $3.99. And these are some journaling stamps. So that's going to be really nice. I've been wanting some journaling stamps for a while now. So I finally got them. Okay, and YouTube, thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye.